So we have a unique situation today where we're going to be doing AstroTurf. The owner has pets and the pets like to pee on this area, obviously, but the smell won't go away. And even if they hose it off, it doesn't seem to go away. So this is the area that we're going to try. We're going to spray IOR by itself. We're not going to agitate or extract it. We're just going to spray it heavily. And I'm also going to go a little bit overlap into the rock because maybe that also contains some of the smell.